Hey, what's up you guys? In this video we're going to talk about sources for reference images that you can use as a 3D artist or as a concept artist or as an artist in general. So first of all, we're going to talk about a very popular website, which is the blueprints.com, which offers good vectors and blueprints. We can find a lot of blueprints for vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, trucks, buses, ships, airplanes, you name it. For example, now we're going to take a look at BMW car model. We can find a lot of series here and a lot of vectors and free blueprints. So for example, here if we choose a free blueprint, we're going to find some nice images. Unless you're logged in, you are limited to 500 pixels. If you can pay, you will get access to high quality vectors such as this one here. Number two, we have photobash.org, which offers royalty-free photo references packs for artists and concept artists as well. So here you can find packs with up to 1,000 pictures, and the prices are very affordable because you can find some great reference images here for interiors, for cities, for Gothic spires, for aircraft cockpits, for ruins, for animals, for rocks and stones, some plants here, some corridors and city streets and something like that, and weapons, armors, whatever you want is going to be here. Also, the quality is very high, up to 7,000 pixels. I think it's going to be a very good idea if you want to check it out. Also, we have Deviant Art, which is very great if you are looking for reference images as concept art, or if you are looking for inspiration just to actually make your work better or see what other artists are doing, because it's not like ArtStation where people post their best work. Here you can find regular work, which is going to give you a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration as well. We can find detailed pictures here, like references for weapons and for sci-fi stuff and for a lot of other things that you want to check out. And finally, we're going to talk about two websites that actually they are similar, which are going to be Pinterest and Google Images, as you can see here. So these two websites are actually search engines, and they are very powerful. You can find a lot of stuff easily here. And the good thing about these two websites is that they're gonna be able to suggest to you other images that look visually similar, and this comes very handy when you are not very sure what is the thing that you're looking for, or what is exactly that you're looking for, because you're gonna be able to see suggestions, and you're gonna go down the rabbit hole in order to find some cool stuff that you probably didn't plan to find in the first place. And as you can see here, for example, here I'm checking some Gothic windows and designs. It is amazing. You can find a lot of stuff, and the best thing also about it, it is for free. You don't have to pay anything. I hope you liked this video. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're new, and check some of our previous videos, and I'll see you in the next one.